Solar power sucks. We only get it during the day, but then we use all of our energy at night once everybody's home. It also sucks because we get all the energy from it in the summer, but then we need to spend the energy in the winter on things like heat. But it's also the best. We're spending 1% of global GDP to build it out. It's about $1 trillion a year. It's cheaper to produce energy from it than almost any other source now. It's like 2 or 3x cheaper than coal. And yeah, we're going to adjust our grids and our battery systems so that solar power powers the future. You know what else sucks? Nuclear power. We've had a bunch of these disasters like Chernobyl and 3 Mile Island. And because of that, we need to be safer. So the costs per gigawatt hour are way up. They're like 10x more than they used to be. But also nuclear is the best. Even though we had some of those disasters, it still kills like 1,000x less people per, megawatt than coal, which is killing everybody all the time with air pollution. And we have all these awesome new nuclear technologies like small modular reactors and thorium reactors that are going to make nuclear power a crucial part of our future. You know what else sucks? Salt batteries. They're so heavy. Salt is so much heavier than lithium. And so what, you think you're going to put a bunch of heavy batteries in your Tesla? But also salt batteries are the best. Salt is everywhere. So even if we start to run out of lithium this century, we're going to be able to make these awesome salt batteries. And we're going to get more efficient and lighter to power the batteries of our new green grid and our new green EVs. Talking about EVs, they suck. They have a low range and you can't haul anything in them. But also EVs are the best. Chinese EVs, they sell more EVs in China than US sells cars combined. Many countries now, like in the Nordic countries, have almost 100% of their purchases are EVs, and almost 25 to 50% of their whole car fleet is now electric. So maybe we can make cars good, but we're never going to make industry good. But what's possible with clean concrete and green steel is we can do carbon dioxide removal. But that thing sucks. Carbon dioxide removal sucks. It costs like $1,000 a ton to remove carbon dioxide right now. But also CDR carbon dioxide removal is the best. We're gonna need to do like 10 gigatons of it per year going forward in the future. And so we better start that cost curve now so that we can start to capture carbon in all these really cool and interesting ways. But you know what really sucks? Geoengineering. What, people think we're just going to be able to keep heating the earth and then put a big white sky above us to reflect all the sun back into space? Also, how are you going to get buy-in on that? You can't just put big clouds over countries that didn't say yes to it. But also, geoengineering is the best. People like Make Sunsets are able to put these biodegradable sulfur dioxide balloons into the air, which protects us from the sun in a really cheap way. It's like $1 per ton of CO2 equivalent. And so yes, simple geoengineering things are a great way to give us more time to make this transition into a green economy. So yeah, technology sucks, but it's getting more awesome every day, and I'm excited for our green future. Thank you as always for watching, and thank you to Roots donors for supporting this channel. If you want to understand more about the past and how we got here, check out the previous videos here. And if you want to understand the future and where we're going, feel free to subscribe here. Hope to see you then. Bye.